Hello there. I'd like to introduce our online bleaching course. As you can see here, we have natural dark brown and natural black color hairs. And these hairs will become such blondes. Yes, we have been coloring, we have been bleaching now for last 5+ years. And now we would like you to learn our technology coloring, bleaching natural dark color hair into light blonde color hair. This is very great technology. It's also money making technology. If you'd like to learn our bleaching course online, please sign up today. This is great technology course for you to learn how to make your own blondes, light blondes. And thank you so much for your interest in our bleaching course.